This video is going to show how to create a new PCB layout from a schematic in OrCAD X Capture. When creating a PCB, maintaining an integration between the schematic and PCB layout is essential. OrCAD X Capture makes it easy to link a new PCB design to a schematic and automatically sync files to improve efficiency and communication. With the schematic open, first we need to configure the desired settings by selecting PCB Design Sync Setup from the menu. The Design Sync Setup window opens. In the text field for Layout folder, enter Allegro. This will save the layout files in a subfolder of the current design folder with the name Allegro. You can also use the ellipsis to browse for a folder. Next, select the desired layout tool by opening the Select Layout Tool drop-down menu. You can select OrCAD PCB Designer, OrCAD X Presto, Allegro X Advanced PCB Designer, or to not open a tool upon layout creation. For this example, we'll select OrCAD X Presto. The configuration file must also be set before a board can be generated. Select the ellipsis for configuration file and browse to the location of the default configuration file. Select the file and click Open. Other options are available in this window to change an existing PCB layout, including allowing etch rip-up, creating user-defined properties, placing changed components, ignoring the fixed property, synchronizing constraints, and showing the difference report. Click OK to save the settings and close the window. With the settings configured, the board file can be generated. Select PCB New Layout from the menu. The New Layout window opens with the PCB Layout folder and a board name already defined. Here you can change the folder name or path to which the board data will be saved. If generating a board from a template, specify the template name in the Input Board File field. Otherwise, leave the field blank. Click OK to generate the board. This will netlist the design, create a new PCB layout file, and embed all the necessary design information in one step. The Cadence Product Choices window opens. Select the appropriate license and click OK to start Presto. To confirm that all components and nets were imported successfully, select ECO Quick Place Components from the menu. The components are placed along the longest edge of the board. Each component is shown with the footprint assigned from the schematic. To save the board file, select File, Save from the menu. Quickly create a new PCB from a schematic with bidirectional communication between OrCAD Capture and OrCAD X Presto to accurately communicate design intent. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eva.com and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.